This is News 14 Carolina meteorologist Matthew East, and thank you for checking in with this Thursday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Another active round of rain as storms pushed through the area yesterday afternoon into portions of last night, and I think we're gearing up for another pretty significant round of rain and storms as we go through today. Let me show you a photo from one of our viewers submitted from Winston-Salem yesterday as the storms were blowing through that community in the Triad, and certainly a lot of folks saw a scene just like that. Torrential rains and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Some folks saw some hail and damaging winds as well. Here's a look back at the storm reports from yesterday, 145 in total. And there were 15 tornado reports mixed in with all the wind and hail reports as well. Not the extent of damage reports from the Carolinas yesterday as what we saw on Tuesday, but still there were a good number of severe thunderstorm warnings issued. Now let's shift to today. That's the radar composite across the lower 48 here at 5:20 in the morning. Big area of low pressure up in parts of Illinois. A lot of thunderstorm activity out ahead of that. Let me show you a couple of the specific radar sites this morning. The Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex was hammered with big storms this morning, and at the time I'm cutting this video, those storms had shifted into the southeastern sections of the metro. Severe thunderstorm warnings were still in effect. Memphis, they saw big storms as well. Severe thunderstorm warning was in effect at the point I was cutting this video as well. And there's the rain and storms that have been pushing through Kentucky, and they've been locally severe at times. And all that just a sign of things to come for us today. Let's go to the modeling. This is the NAM model for this afternoon. And I think what we'll probably see happen is a good round of rain and storms approach from the west. Timing these things out always just a little bit tricky, but I think the best time frame for this in terms of the most likely period for rain and storms extends from late this afternoon and through this evening. There'll probably be a healthy round of rain and storms, and there'll probably be a good number of severe thunderstorm warnings again with damaging winds, large hail, frequent lightning, and some locally heavy rainfall as well. There's the day one convective outlook, and that does have a good chunk of the Carolinas in that slight risk area for today into tonight. All right, let's go out to tomorrow. A cold front drops in here from the northwest, and that should give us the chance for at least some scattered afternoon thunderstorms tomorrow. Out to Saturday, and the weekend forecast in terms of the exact extent of rain and storms is tricky, but I'm just going to sort of go with the status quo. Mention the chance for a few afternoon storms coming up on Saturday, and probably an enhanced risk of rain and storms Sunday as an area of low pressure moves through the region. So it could be a pretty active weather day on Sunday with a good number of showers and storms. Let's go out to Monday. Now the GFS, at least the 0Z run, had us mainly dry Monday. I have maintained in my forecast a chance for some afternoon storms on Monday. I just can't buy into that completely dry scenario. So it still looks like some scattered storms on Monday. And same deal here. That's the chart valid 2 a.m. Wednesday morning there. And another disturbance moving through, so it looks like Tuesday and Wednesday will probably still continue to see the chance of some showers and some thunderstorms, especially concentrated in the afternoon and the evening. And a quick look at the tropics. Things are quiet. No tropical development expected here for the next few days. All right, remember, when severe weather is occurring, you can always check in with News 14 Carolina on television. We'll walk with you through the storms. And, of course, you need to have a NOAA weather radio to hear the warnings to know to flip us on News 14 Carolina. That's it for this latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everyone have a great Thursday, and God bless.